Hello, my name is Flicker, and welcome to the madness that lives inside my brain. I'm going to give you a chance at looking over all of this. Because I'm trying to unify my perceptions and understandings of reality into a dynamic system that can acknowledge itself without complete collapse. Hmm. Ah. Anyways, that's all I've got to show right now. I'll show more later when I've actually got the second half of it, the result of all of this thinking simplified down to something that's much more practical. Hello there, and welcome to the final piece of this puzzle, or at least where we've gotten our pieces to. Don't know if it's all organized properly or correctly, but I do know that it's starting to coagulate a little bit more. Fastest way to kill something special is to compare it to something else. Dark shadows, dark light, bright shadows, bright light. The spite fire system. Reigniting your own heart is difficult. There's a lot of little details here, so I'm gonna leave that all for you to look at on your own time. But some of the ideas in here are also some of the ideas that are playing at dynamic interaction in here. So, here's hoping you all enjoy piecing together some of that info, if you even want to try. Because let's be real, I still have not fully comprehended how to explain all of this to another person. I've done my best to give it visual representation via details and consistencies between. But I don't think it's ready yet. Still in the prototyping and polishing phase. Convergence can either end up amidst the lies, confusion, assumptions, and isolations, 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100, really. Or, on that rare occasion, it can go in the opposite direction. Clarity, knowing properly, truth, and connection. But if you take that to its logical extreme, eventually you'll be trying to connect to everything, and that doesn't work. So a person, a set elf, basically exists at the slice intersection of all three axes. The axis of living life, the axis of communicating one's own needs, and the axis of comprehension and understanding. Each one builds upon the last, which means that the later ones are harder to fucking polish and work through than the earlier ones. Who's to say that it's all only limited to 3? There could be a 4th dimension we don't even recognize until we start exploring the spectrum of realistic absurdities, or reasonable absurdities. As it stands, lots to go through, not enough time. I'll see you all later. Goodbye!